Here is how to back up your Google Photos to an external hard drive. So connect your external hard drive to your computer and then open a web browser like Google Chrome and then go to Google Photos. In the address bar, type in takeout.google.com. Hit enter in your keyboard. Then tap on deselect all from the top and scroll down and find photos and select it. Scroll down to the bottom and click on next step. Choose send download link via email. Export once and zip file with a size of 2 GB. Then after tap on create export, which is highlighted in blue color, and wait for the process to complete. And Google will start creating a copy of the data from the Google Photos. And after downloading, you can open your File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder and view it. And then drag and drop the downloaded files into your external hard drive. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.